Do you know that tens of millions of children continue to be exploited and harmed even 66 years after the Declaration of Children's Rights adopted by UN? On 20th November 1959, the United Nations General Assembly unanimously adopted the Universal Declaration of the Rights of the Child. It laid out 10 fundamental principles aimed at ensuring the protection, education, health, and welfare of children worldwide. It recognized that children have special rights simply by virtue of being children, beyond general human rights. Principle 7 guarantees children right to free and compulsory elementary education designed to develop their abilities and social responsibility. On 20th November 1989, UN adopted a more stringent and legally binding Convention on the Rights of the Child. Despite this, children's rights are continuously violated and a significant number of children are exploited, harmed and even killed. As per UNICEF, in 2024, over 473 million children, or 1 in 5 globally, lived in conflict zones, facing unprecedented levels of violence and insecurity. Child labor persists at alarming rates, with 160 million children engaged, half in dangerous forms. Moreover, 237 million children under 5 lakh birth certificates, risking statelessness, while 4.9 million children under 5 die annually. Forced displacement affects over 43 million children, and poverty plunges more than 333 million children into deprivation, with 181 million experiencing severe food insecurity. Educational rights are critically imperiled as 250 million children are out of school, and 2 in 5 children struggle with basic literacy despite attending school. Even in developed nations, such as France, millions of children face poverty, educational deprivation, and violence. India is home to largest child population in the world, with over 40% of its population under the age of 18. An overwhelming share of these children live in poverty, facing multiple deprivations that hinder their growth and development. India has about 1/3 of the world's malnourished children, with 35.5% under 5 stunted and 32.1% underweight, reflecting poor access to nutritious food, clean water, and health care. By 2023, crimes against children had surged nearly tenfold since 2005, with over 70,000 sexual offenses, mostly against girls, averaging a crime every 3 minutes. Over 2 million children are involved in forced child labor, with tens of millions others helping their families in farms or other activities, missing school. Infant mortality rate also remains high, although reduced from 44 in 2011 to 25 per 1,000 live births in 2023.